Hey guys, Junior over at Auto Film Solutions. Today we're wrapping this 1995 Toyota Supra, going from gloss black to metal paint yellow. We're just finishing up disassembly on this Supra, and then we're going to start with the hood and then do the fenders right after.
Horses don't stop, they keep going. Yeah. You can lose your life, but it gon' keep going. Why not risk life when it's gon' keep going? Yeah. When you die, somebody else was born, but at least we got to say we ran on the digit, we ran on the money, we ran on the digit, we ran on that money, we ran on the digit, we ran on the money. We ran on the digit, we ran on the money, we ran on the digit, we ran on some money, we ran on some digit, we ran on some money.
Alright guys, just finished up this color change on this 1995 Toyota Supra in gloss metal paint yellow. We got the new badges installed, and we actually did have to pull the glass on the rear windows and the quarters to ensure proper coverage because the paint was a little messed up on the edges. But other than that, this thing is looking good, and we'll give it back to the customer.